Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a chair yoga practice for beginners. This routine can also be done by seniors or office workers who want to get a full body stretch and improve their blood circulation while sitting on a chair. So once you're ready, let's start. Before we begin, make sure that the chair you're sitting on allows you to have your feet flat on the ground. Also, let's fix our initial sitting position. So let me just show it to you from the side. When you are sitting, let's just lean forward, untuck our tailbone, and then sit on our sitting bones so that you can ground the sit bones firmly into the chair. This will allow us to sit tall and have a straight back. Now, sitting in this position, let us start with some neck stretches. Let's tilt the head to the right, center, go to the left, center, right, center, left, center, and let's do this 5 more times at your own pace. Keep breathing, keeping the shoulders relaxed. Last one. And come back to center. Now let's look right to left, going to the right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. 5 more times. Last round. And come back to center. Now keeping the hands on our thighs, let's start rolling the shoulders back, taking them as high as possible, going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now let's bring both the hands on our sides, making a loose fist, and then start rotating the fist in outward direction. And at the same time, we are going to go up, rolling the wrists outwards and going all the way up. And once we reach up, let's start going down, this time rotating the wrists in forward direction. Nice slow movement, releasing the tension in the wrists. Very good. Once more, out, 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 and going all the way up. And once we are up, this time let's interlace the fingers and give ourselves a nice big stretch up. Staying here for 5, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now from here, as you inhale, open the chest, stretching up, taking the arms back, getting a nice back bend and opening the chest. As you exhale, round the spine and start bringing the hands down, bringing them to your knees. Again, inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, up, stretching the spine. Exhale, round. 2 more times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last round. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And come to center and relax. Now let's bring the right hand on the left thigh. And as we inhale, take the left arm up and bend towards the right side. We are going to stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Then take the left hand behind the chair. You can grab the back of the chair and twist to the left, looking back. Again, staying here for 5. Keep breathing. 4. Keep the spine long. 3, 2, 1, and come back to center. Let's do it on the other side. Left hand on right thigh. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend to the left. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the right hand down. Take it to the back. Inhale, exhale, twist to the right, looking back. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Great. Now let's bring the right foot over the left thigh and we'll get into a seated pigeon stretch. So inhale, and as you exhale, you can bend slightly forward, pressing the right knee gently down. And you can keep the right foot flexed so that the toes are pointing towards the knee. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's do it on the other side. Left ankle on right knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, gently pressing the left knee down. Keeping the left foot flexed so that the toes are pointing towards the knee. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now let's take our knees out and we'll get into another twist. For this, you'll need to bend forward. So you can bend forward, bringing the hands on the floor. If getting the hands on the floor seems challenging, you can also use a stool or some yoga blocks in front and use them. And then we are going to inhale, exhale, take the left arm up, looking up towards the left thumb, getting a nice twist in the upper back. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Take it up on the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's bring it back. Let's do it once more because it feels so great. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Right arm up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax and come up. Lovely. Next, let's do a stretch for the knees. So let's take the right leg up, straightening the right knee, and just gently press the knee down. Bring it down and do it on the left side. Let's repeat this alternatingly. And we'll do this for another 5 rounds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Next, we'll do a stretch for the calves. So you can slightly come forward and we are going to start lifting the heels up and bring them down. Up and down. Let's do this for 10 times. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And now we are going to start lifting the front part of the foot up. So lift them up and down. Lift the toes up, down, keeping the heel on the ground. And you'll feel a stretch in the back of the calves. Let's do this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now let's do some ankle rolls. So take the right leg forward and let's start rotating it in clockwise direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and anti-clockwise for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's change sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Finally, let's do a stretch for the toes. So you just squeeze the toes in, squeezing them in, and relax. Squeeze them in and relax. You can include your fingers also with this. Squeeze and relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Lovely. That brings us to the end of this routine. Hope you enjoyed it and you can include it in your daily routine to feel energized and relaxed. I'll see you with something new soon. Till then, take care, keep practicing, and bye-bye.